Out of the night that covers me, black as the pit from pole to pole. I think whatever gods may be, for my unconquerable soul. In the felt clutch of circumstances, I have not winced nor cried aloud. Under the bludgeonings of chance, my head is bloody but unbowed. Beyond this place of rats and tears, looms but the horror of the shade, and yet the menace of the years finds and shall find me unafraid. It matters now how straight the gate, how charged with punishments the scroll. I am the master of my fate, I am the captain of my soul.